guys, so we are here all checked in. This weather sucks. I got my work assignment, so got my helmet passed here and it's soaking wet. Yeah, so I'll be doing heat 3, so I'll get the GoPro going here once my heat starts, and hopefully everything goes smooth. Alright guys, a little update. My work shift is over. That was heat 1 I worked, so heat 2's out now, so I'm on a break. And then once heat 3 starts, that's when I'll start racing. Still raining right now. It's pretty much off and on. It'll rain for 5 or 10 minutes and then stop for 5 or 10 minutes. So hopefully I can get some good runs in. I think the first run, I'm just gonna kind of take it easy and get to know the course a little bit better. And then yeah, we'll just kind of see how it goes. Alright guys, so my GoPro actually died, I guess sometime during the second run, and on the second run I was doing pretty good, didn't have any mistakes, and I spun out at the finish line and I hit the timer on the tripod. So kind of embarrassing, kind of sucks, but hopefully on this next run I can put together a decent run. Unfortunately I won't be able to film it because I don't have a GoPro anymore, it's dead. Alright guys, you can see I'm number 51, Cam T, Zach, 97 Ford Mustang Cobra. Just ran a 58.4. My third run didn't register. They were having issues with the timer, but so they gave me a rerun. So my second run was 74 seconds, so 58 is pretty good improvement. Gonna try to get, do better on this next run, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so I just finished up my first autocross. Did pretty good. I had my first run, I had a DNF because I missed a what do they call it, two straight line cones. I went on the wrong side of it, but that was my only mistake on the first run. Second run I was doing great, and then at the finish there's like a turn, and you might see it in the video if the video worked. My GoPro died on the second run at some point, but there was like a little bit of a turn before the finish line, which was a straightaway, and I got on the gas a little too early while I was still turning, spun out, and I actually hit the tripod that the time sensor was on. Luckily I didn't break it, but and ignored the mud and stuff. You can see here, scratched my spoiler, took a ding out of my paint right there, which it's actually already starting to rust a little, it looks like. And then got the bumper good here, and then all along here. So I'm gonna try to buff it out. It doesn't look too bad. I think this is the only thing I'm not gonna be able to fix. Everything else looks like it could buff out, but yeah, that might be in the video. We'll see. Other than that, though, it did pretty good. So one of my goals was to not get dead last, being that it was my first time doing this. And let's see if I can focus here. Where did I go? I just saw it. Oh, right here. Okay. So, oops. So I did KMT. I was number 51 here. Got my best run, which was my last run, was a 57.74, which I'm pretty happy with. Not a bad run at all. And you can see the PAX results here. We'll go on those. Actually, so we will go to the CAM-T results, and I could show you there. There were only 6 cars in CAM-T. Let me get the focus right here. So one of them, the 69 Firebird, that thing was badass. I actually ran faster than it by not by much, but you can see here, my first run was the DNF. That was the one where I missed some cones that I was supposed to turn into. The second one was the one that I spun out at the finish line, which it actually still registered my finish. It was a little bit late, but 75 seconds, I spun out and hit that tripod. Third run, the time sensor quit working for a bunch of us, so we had to do a rerun. And then sorry, the screen keeps jumping. Let me focus here. Fourth run, got a 58.804. Fifth run, 58.912. And then my last run, I kind of went at it a little bit and shaved a second off and got a 57.741. So pretty happy with how it did. I had an awesome time, man. I think that's way more fun than drag racing. I'm still probably going to take it to the track and drag race it a couple times this year, but whenever the track opens up. But man, autocross is awesome. I love turning and you know, letting off the gas, giving it gas, going through different things. It was fun. I was more involved with the car, I felt like, instead of just, you know, hitting the gas and shifting and driving straight. I felt like I was more like with the car and controlling the car, and definitely going to stiffen the chassis up a little bit more. And I'm probably going to get some shocks or just do my entire, like the whole rear coil over setup I was planning on doing. Because the one shock on the right, or on the driver or passenger side of the vehicle, it's gone. I mean, it doesn't have any kind of, I don't know, power, if that's what you want to call it, but it's completely busted. So definitely going to replace that. And yeah, other than that though, just do some chassis stuff, I think, and then just try to, you know, learn my car a little bit better. I think driving in the rain may have helped me a little bit, because I could, you know, feel the limits of the vehicle, especially in the rain. But I'm hoping for the next time to be a dry course, and then, you know, maybe I'll improve, maybe make the top 60 instead of the top 83. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button. There's definitely going to be some more autocross coming your way. And I think, on a side note, my long tube headers and Cook's X-Pipe are supposed to ship tomorrow. So I might have those this week, and then I'll get that video going with the dyno tune on that, and we'll see what kind of power we can make, hopefully over 300. But stay tuned for some more dyno videos, drag race video, videos at the track, and then definitely more autocross. I think there's 9 more events or 8 more events this year, so I'm definitely going to be hitting those up. Thanks, guys. All right, quick update, guys. I was not able to get the second video. Whenever I clicked on it, it said that there was an error. It wouldn't play, so GoPro really screwed me today. Only lasted for 2 runs, and it had an error on the second one. So unfortunately, all you're gonna get, or all you got, was my first run, which I putted around the course just to kind of get to know it. But I promise on the next one, I got new batteries on the way for the GoPro, so I promise on the next one I'll get some good videos.